Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 10th for the subject of physical education, topic aging, which is covered in chapter 1, Human Growth and Development. Starting on page number 5 of your textbook titled Health, Physical Education and Sports, and is being submitted to you on 10th May 2021. This voice is of Miss Kusum. If all students are ready, then let us start with topic aging. All of you please listen carefully as I will be asking a few questions in between the chapter. So as we know that aging is it's a type of development, stage of development. So we explain the aging with physiological consequences. Aging is a process of growing old or developing. The appearance and characteristic of old age. It is usually defined as a collection of changes that render human being progressively more likely to die. Notably, it is a biological process by which organisms come into existence, grow, develop, and functions for a limited period, and finally end up in the grave. This movement in time and space begins about changes in physiological, mental abilities. An individual may experience these changes difficulty. For some, the level of decline may be rapid and dramatic. For others, the changes are much less significant. The reality of aging has its own dynamic and is largely beyond human being control. Physiological consequences of age can be summed up in various physiological changes that invariably occur as we age. So first, skeletal changes. There's a changes in the age group, loss of bones, especially 50 years, bones diseases, loss of calcium. These all diseases comes in the old age, right? And resulting bones diseases, osteoporosis disease, weight loss, these all diseases comes from your skeletal system because mostly the body consists bones, the weight of bone. So there's a fracture, some fractures are in your body at the age of aging, last development age. So these all are covered in skeletal changes. Even coughing, tugging on a cabinet doors and especially a fall can cause a fracture in those who suffer from advanced osteoporosis because bones are soft at the aging at the last stage of your development. So easily the old persons comes their stage of fracture, bones jaldi toot jati हैं. That all cover in your aging part, skeletal system. Next is cardiovascular changes. Cardio and vascular. Cardio is related to your heart and vascular is their walls. So there's also changes. Aging brings on increased stiffness on the chest wall, dimensions blood flow through the lungs, and either some persons having low BP, high BP, this kind of diseases comes in the cardiovascular. Okay, and next is your ventricles are there's a change. Some persons having narrow, broad, yes, sub problems due to aging. And next is this calcification of heart valves, loss of elasticity in artery walls, and some diseases from the depression part which is covered in cardiovascular changes. There is decreased cardio output and reduced blood flow results in stamina decreases. reduced renal and hepatic function, and less cellular nourishment, blood vessel changes. So many changes in your cardiovascular pumping, heart pumps. So that's why we are that old age person suffering from high VP and cold low VP. Next is respiratory changes. When the cardiovascular is not pumping the oxygenated blood to the body, there is a changes high VP, low VP due to, and third function is respiratory. The both functions, both cardio and lungs are related, correlated, because respiration, lungs gives oxygen to the blood, and oxygenated blood covers your whole body. So both functions of your body correlated. As you start getting old, your lungs, tissues and airways become less elastic and your chest walls stiffness. In muscle tissues, less fat deposit and loss of muscle tone. Strength is less in muscular system. You cannot lift heavy weight without injury yourself, nor stay at activity without tiring yourself quickly. And changes in skin. In aging, the dermic skin actually thin about 20%, and old and blood supply, it drops off with time. There's loss of underlying fat layers, old glands and collagen, a cement-like protein that holds cells together, causing wrinkles and reduces elasticity. So these are all the changes in the skin. Wrinkles are more, fat is less. So these are all points that underlying fat layers, old oil glands are less. So these all, matlab, we can say that ki there's a changes in skin as well. Oxygen intake come. So these all problems occurs in old age. Metabolism changes. The metabolic system is responsible for converting food into energy. Beginning around age 25, total fat starts to increase, which muscle mass and body water decrease. The lower basal metabolism rate in old age creates several health complications in BMR. BMR, basic metabolic rate. BMR is dependent upon body composition. Sensory changes. Our senses play a central role in our ability to gather information and to participate in social interaction. Aging can also have on them changes in vision, hearing, taste and smell. Students, before going further in this chapter, let me ask a few questions, and you may kindly listen to the questions carefully and pause the audio for 3 minutes and write down the answers in your notebook. The questions and answers of this chapter are enclosed with the assignment PDF for your reference and will not be recorded in the video and audio lessons. So continue with healthful aging. Healthful aging is about recreating the environments and opportunities that enables you to be and do what you value throughout your life. Everybody is capable of experiencing healthy aging. Being free of disease or infirmity is no required for a healthy aging, as many older as adults have one or more healthy condition that we will be controlled, have a little influence on their well-being. WHO defines healthy aging as the process of developing and maintaining the functional ability that enables well-being in older age. Some useful tips for healthy aging including the following: live an active life, exercising regularly and free from mental and physical health. mental health and will be a well-being, and stay fit enough to maintain your physical activity correlated in good lifestyle. Fat healthy means eating healthy whole food. You have to eat energetic food, less fat foods, veggies also, whole grains, nuts, low fat dairy products you have to eat in old age. Healthy food, butter, sugar, salts, packed food, not to be eaten. Stay connected means you have to make good relations with the persons, and you have a friend circle as well in old age, and free from depression. Make good friends. You have to go for outing, make friends, and trouble with everyday tasks with bathing and climbing stairs. Regular time to meet your friends, coffee time, meal time, that's all covered in your stay connected. Stick to sleep. Insomnia in common old age. Insomnia is a kind of disease which is in the old age. The old age persons are lack of sleep. It's called insomnia. You to wake and sleep and schedule every day. Human can longer without food than without sleep. Old adults need just as much sleep as younger adults. 7 to 9 hours per night, often get much less. Maintain your brain. Good nourishment and lifestyle include cognitive stimulants, yoga exercises for brain, challenging your brain, never stop learning, and learn a new language. Reduce stress. Without advancing age, our stresses go on changing, and so goes ability. Brain cells and lead to depression. It means cause memory loss, fatigue, decrease ability to fight off the recover from infection. Take charge of health. It is not healthy care that system control your health, but your own actions, your environment, your genes, and social factors. The more you participate in your own health care, the more satisfied you need be with care you receive. Make necessary changes in your lifestyle and diet habits much be as possible. Select supplements, nutritional depressions, and being too occur often or knowing of it to make up. It's better to get your nutrients from food, not a pills. Do not take medicines. Take supplements for your healthy life. Supplements aimed for only for seniors. And stay optimistic. Really in life without problems. Persistent problems leads to chronic stress, which has serious implications for your health and well-being. If you become pessimistic under the weight of stressful circumstances, being positive make a lot of difference and has meaning. So this is the last stage of your life development, that is aging. So that's all for today, and homework is in your PDF file. You have to write these all questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you, students.